Hello, we are going to make this cute and playful bow today. Then we used 5 pieces of ribbon, 8 centimeters around the waist, 2 plain colors, centimeters, 25 centimeters, 2 prints 32 centimeters, 35 centimeters. Then we can start making 2 plain colors. All are the most basic and posted back. Find the midline and fall back. Then the long one. Same operation. After we have done all 4, then we started to match them one by one. We'll use the last 2. Make a relatively small bend. Click on the glue. C-fold it. Tie the Q line tightly. Make a 3-fold single knot on it. Why didn't I fold it together? Because the printed ribbon is relatively thick. The bow made in this way will be richer in layers. Folding creases together is not easy to control. Then we put the bottom layer. Everyone pay attention to the collage method. Bottom because we want an inside corner. So we are spliced like this. Then the top is also a single, not triple fold. We will not paste the remaining 2 layers together. It needs to be collaged separately on it. We need a large opening and closing angle for this. Fix it with a little glue. It's also a simple Z-fold. Tie the Q line tightly. Then we paste it first. Make up this space. Stick it in the middle of those 2 floors. Then we stick this layer of pink on top. So what we're doing is 3 layers. It's more layered and 3-dimensional. The creases of the bow are also clearer. Then we have the waistline. We have done this waistline method many times. I did it faster this time. And it's done like this. And then you twist it. Put it on a bow. Behind me, we can stick the clips we like and need, then tidy up the front a little bit. In this way, our multi-layer bow is ready. We have a lot of printed ribbons, then a lot of plain colors. You can unlock more combinations according to your preferences.